Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Indie Zone. My name is Kathy, and today I'd like to direct your attention to what I regard as a milestone of a document as we continue providing our personal opinions as we review documents available to the public on the public docket in the matter of Idaho versus Koberger. I am speaking specifically of the May 3rd, 2023 third supplemental request for discovery. What is discovery? Discovery is a document. It may be something physical. It may be a thing that one side believes the other side has in its possession, custody, or control that is relevant to the case. The fact that this is now called the third supplemental request for discovery cues us into the fact that there have been 3 prior requests for discovery. And if you have asked yourself, why is this a milestone at this time? It's because all of the prior requests and the responses thereto have not included exactly what the defense was asking for and has not made available to the public what was being produced, the actual physical evidence, the documents, the things we are in the dark about, because everything until May 3rd, 2023 was under seal. So now we have, for the first time, May 3rd, 2023, almost 6 months after Brett Payne signed the affidavit of probable cause, as he did December 29th, 2022, asking for Mr. Koberger's arrest. Now we finally are on notice of what Mr. Koberger is asking for in discovery. If you look at this document, it is 5 pages long. It is single space. There is a lot of information. But in a nutshell, he is asking for scientific information, documents, and things. He is asking for the state's complete biological testing case file, soup to nuts. He wants a complete copy of the case file, all records made by each laboratory in connection with biological testing in this case, biological screening, serological testing, presumptive testing, microscopy, DNA testing, and so forth. That's on page 1 of the discovery request. If you read the following pages, you'll see requests for such things as DNA profiles that were uploaded to DNA databases, genetic genealogy testing, chain of custody, policies and procedures, statistical calculations and data. So this is very mathematical in scope. Why is Mr. Koberger asking for this specific DNA, biological, and other type of testing? We don't know, but we can make an educated guess based on what the affidavit of probable cause signed by Brett Payne stated. Mr. Payne told us that there was a knife sheath that was found on the bed next to Maddie and Kaylee, 2 of the 4 victims of the November 13th, 2022 atrocities. So that may have to do with the testing of that knife sheath, or it may be with the testing of other DNA that was found within 1122 King Road. If you would like to read the actual third supplemental discovery request, I have provided a link to the docket that is maintained by the Idaho court. You can read for yourself. I recommend that you do if you have an interest in this case. That will conclude today's episode. My name is Kathy. Thank you very much for your time and your attention.